Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and installing the August Smart Lock and the August Smart Keypad. Alright, let's start off with the Smart Lock. Unlike the Pro version, this lock doesn't have Z-Wave or Apple HomeKit support. For some, that's a showstopper, but personally I'm okay with that. And I think this one has more of an intuitive design anyways. What's also different about this version is the new Satin Nickel color. You can get this at august.com when you're back in stock. The lock itself has a really nice heft to it, and you can tell it's well designed. Beneath the lock itself is a mounting plate, and right next to it we got a couple goodies, a door sense sensor, and some bolt adapters for the lock. Now the Wi-Fi Connect module right down here was really jammed in there, so embarrassingly it took a good few seconds to get it out. But overall the unboxing was pretty straightforward. Minimal and elegant packaging, but has everything you need except a screwdriver for the installation. Alright, let's move on to the August Smart Keypad. Now again, the packaging is very minimal, just like the August Smart Lock. Inside you'll see we have a couple of leaflets here, terms and conditions, double-sided sticky tape for mounting the device, and the device itself here. I don't know about you, but to me the design just resembles more of a block of chocolate. Really edible and cute. Alright, let's install this then. So step number one is to download the August Home app. This app is really well made and it'll guide you through the installation process and finish it off with the calibration that's necessary for the August Smart Lock to work properly. But first off, what you do is tape the lock in front of the door so the lock doesn't just come out when you're unscrewing things. And then once you unscrew the existing thumb turn, you then use the same bolts and mount the mounting plate, making sure that the center shaft is squarely in the center of the center hole right there. Then, depending on the manufacturer of your existing deadbolt, you choose the appropriate adapter there. And then you place the August Smart Lock, making sure you have it in the unlocked position, so don't blindly follow the app's direction. And then secure it on, and then it's gonna do its calibration process, which takes a good minute or two. And then it's gonna calibrate, do its thing. Now the moment of truth. Now it's saying it's closed and unlocked. Now in the closed position, and then the unlock position. There we go. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Kenta, and we'll see you in the next video.